So now let's look at the Lewis structure of acetonitrile, a common organic solvent. CH3CN. Again, carbon makes 4 bonds. So for one of the carbons, pretty easy to visualize, it's bonded to 3 hydrogens. We'll make a 4th single bond to the other carbon, which makes a triple bond to the nitrogen, which has a lone pair. Nitrogen makes 3 bonds, so it has its octet. Carbon makes 4 bonds, both have their octet. Hydrogen makes 1 bond. That's the most that it can make. So this is the acceptable Lewis structure for acetonitrile. And the second one was N2H2. Each nitrogen needs to make 3 bonds. If we have a nitrogen-nitrogen double bond, and then each nitrogen is also making 1 bond to hydrogen, and each nitrogen has a lone pair, this is the best Lewis structure. Nitrogen's making 3 bonds and has a lone pair, hydrogen's making 1 bond. This is the best arrangement for N2H2.